Circles and arcs. The geometry you need to know. Hello learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of geometry. Specifically, we're going to explore the mesmerizing topic of circles and arcs. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of these concepts, crucial for the ACT math section. A circle is a two-dimensional shape that's perfectly round. Every point on the circle is an equal distance from its center. That distance is what we call the radius. If you connect 2 points on the circle with a straight line that passes through the center, you've drawn the diameter. Remember, the diameter is twice the length of the radius. When you hear the word arc, think of it as a piece of the circle's edge. An arc is a portion of the circumference of a circle. Circles have two types of arcs. 1. Minor arc. This is shorter than half of the circle. It's like a small slice of pie. 2. Major arc. This is longer than half the circle. Imagine taking more than half the pie for yourself. Circles and arcs also deal with angles. Here's what you need to know. Central angle. The angle whose vertex is the center of the circle. The measure of the central angle is equal to the measure of the arc it intercepts. Inscribed angle. An angle whose vertex is on the circle. Interestingly, the measure of the inscribed angle is half of the measure of the arc it intercepts. You might wonder, how long is that arc? Well, the arc length is a portion of the circle's entire circumference. Here's a quick formula. Arc length equals measure of the arc in degrees, 360, times circumference of the circle, text, arc length, equals text, measure of the arc in degrees, 360, times text, circumference of the circle. Arc length equals measure of the arc in degrees, 360, times circumference of the circle. Remember, the circumference of a circle is 2 pi times radius 2 pi times text, radius, 2 pi times radius. A sector is like a slice of pizza from our circle. The area of the sector can be found using sector area equals measure of the arc in degrees, 360, times area of the circle, text, sector area, equals text, measure of the arc in degrees, 360, times text, area of the circle, sector area equals measure of the arc in degrees, 360, times area of the circle. And of course, the area of a circle is pi times radius 2, pi, times text, radius, squared pi times radius 2. And there you have it. Circles and arcs demystified. With these concepts under your belt, you're one step closer to mastering the geometry questions on the ACT. Remember to practice and apply what you've learned. Until next time, happy studying!